And the women in the villages and houses should do the same, because the Prophet ﷺ said, O ye who believe in Islam, it is our Eid. Hazrat Anas bin Malik commanded his slave Ibn Abu Utbah at Zawiya. So he assembled his wife and children and performed the prayer as the city folk do and pronounce takbeer. Ikrimah said, the village folk would assemble at Eid and perform 2 units as Imam does. Ata said, when one misses the Eid prayer, one should perform 2 units. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came to me while 2 girls during the days spent at Mina were singing and playing upon the tambourine beside her. And the Prophet ﷺ was wrapped up in his garment. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu rebuked them, but the Prophet ﷺ uncovered his face and said, leave them, O Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, because these are Eid days and the days of Mina. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 987.